Okay, level level 5, upper intermediate English. Let's proceed with our lesson. I hope that you have relaxed a bit and we shall continue level 5, upper intermediate English. Okay, let's discuss about the leading question. The leading question, one way of influencing a person is to ask them questions that are deliberately designed to make them think in a certain way. Leading questions either include the answers point to the listeners to the right direction or include some forms of carrot or stick to send them to the right way. A leading question is a question that leads the witness to the desired answer to that. For example, this is a question. I want to give you an example of a leading question. Uh, did you hear the customer threaten to shoot the bartender? Did you hear the customer threaten to shoot the bartender? Yes or no? Yeah? What did you hear? I heard the customer threaten to shoot the bartender. I heard. That is the response. I heard the customer threaten to shoot the bartender. So that is the leading question. Did you hear? Yeah? And most of these questions are very much helpful or when you are in courts, you've been charged with some cases, so you find maybe the judge or the lawyers are asking you some questions, or investigators, the CID, are trying to investigate you about, they want to probe out something. So you may hear them trying to ask such a questions. So you must be very careful with that. Because if they ask you, did you hear the customer threatened? Meaning that you used your ear, you listened to something. Did you see? Yeah? Did you see what happened in the market? Or at the market, something happened there. Can you explain to us what you saw? So you need to tell maybe something that maybe you experienced, you are eyewitness to an accident. So you need to explain very carefully. Those are leading questions. Those are leading questions. So those are some of the examples, and I will request you to write some other questions about yourself so that you may send them to my WhatsApp and I may look at them. Let's look at another one. These are hypothetical questions, hypothetical way of speaking or hypothetical questions. The hypothetical questions here, they are questions that are asked. When you ask them, they are not in reality, if I may say so, and they have more of imagination. A question that somebody is trying to ask you a question whereby you don't, it's something that can never exist, or they are in fiction. If I may say, they are in fiction. They are in fiction. Let me stop there because of, let me stop there